Since we are about to celebrate Labor Day, murag usahay lainan lang ko usahay no nga we cannot deny that some of our employers are still violating some of the labor standards. We have already our minimum wage, but still some are still in violation of this law. Mo na siya among inalantaw karon nga I am also encouraging the Department of Labor to fast track, to facilitate in their inspection, so that maybe these employers who are still violating this law should comply. Worst good, I have talked with one of the security guard, which he is receiving 200 pesos for a 12 hours duty. And we have a minimum wage now of 397 for 8 hours work. And here comes a security guard receiving 200 pesos for a 12 hours work. Please comply what is mandated by law.